Hey after school stars, welcome to another edition of Stamp Fridays. This week we'll be making some candy DNA. We'll be using Twizzlers, marshmallows, and some toothpicks to make candy DNA. So let's get started. So what does DNA stand for? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. We're going to be using our marshmallows as nucleotides, and they will be assigned. Each marshmallow will be assigned a different nucleotide. So we'll have A for adenine, T for thymine, C for cytosine, and G for guanine. If you know about DNA, it's always formed in the double helix. So our Twizzlers are going to be used as our strands for our helix. So what we also need to do, remember, is that adenine and thymine are always together. They are always paired together. Cytosine and guanine are always paired together. They're never separate. So we have, let's pretend that the orange marshmallow is cytosine, and the pink marshmallow is guanine. They're always going to be paired together. So they're always going to be together. Same thing for adenine and thymine. They're never going to be separate, or they're never going to match with the guanine or cytosine. Alright, so let's get started. So as we can see, we've already assigned our DNA nucleotides. So like I said, green is for adenine, yellow is for thymine, orange is for cytosine, and pink is for guanine. So what we want to do is we're going to grab a strand of DNA. We are going to attach our binders, which will be, for me, it's going to be these sticks right here. And we're going to attach our nucleotides. So I'm adding thymine first. Remember, we're going to bind it with adenine, and then we're going to attach our other side of our or the strand. So DNA usually forms a double helix. As you can see, we're going to try to see if we can make a double helix with our DNA here. I'm adding some guanine and some cytosine. And I mean, you can make it however you like, whatever you prefer. Just remember, you're going to be building up your strands. Y'all see that? Oops. Let me get closer. So DNA is the building blocks of any life form. It's pretty much in anything. And you're going to keep building up. And so DNA, when you are building, or when it's building, you can say it's our building blocks of our lives. It's pretty much a map of our bodies. Some DNA strands can tell what your eye color is going to be, what the size of your nose, or the shape of your hair, or the type of hair you're going to have. And so we form, usually the DNA, it should look like this, making a double helix. You see? And so when DNA wants to replicate itself, it starts to split off. Let's see if I can reproduce how they split off. They usually just split off kind of like a zipper. And they pretty much get a copy of themselves to make more and more until we build a body. So when replicating itself, it starts to split off like so. Like say they were connected, they start to split off like a zipper. Whoops. Well, that one didn't work like a zipper, but you get the point. And that's how we get new strands, and eventually they form something else. Alright. Alright, so hopefully you make your own. If you do, share it with us so that we can see your DNA strand. Like I said, if you want to find out more about this, we can always look it up. You can always look it up online. There are many different websites about DNA and what the DNA building blocks are mean. And so if you enjoyed it, please share with us and make sure to tag us at ASAS North Texas. All right, so we'll see y'all next time.